Okei, kuidas nüüd on?
Kuuled väga hästi.
Ma saan aru, sina kuuled väga hästi. Aga... Kuule, sul on mingi hull nois taga, keegi jutustab sul seal.
Mul naine räägib.
Kuule, meil on midagi pekkis, noh. No türbel, noh. Hakkab pihta jälle. No ma ei tea, kui ma vaatan nagu seadmeid, siis kõik näitab, et on laivis. Kui ma vaatan YouTube'is, siis on lihtsalt must ekraan. Kui ma vaatan oma telefonist, ma ei tea, kas sina näed laivi või? Nagu seadmeid, siis kõik näitab, et on... Praegu on nagu tuleb nagu läbi. Ma saadan sulle laivi lingi. Tšeki. Tšeki. Okei. Let's see. Tšeki.
Sinu kämm on minu kämmi peal või?
No ilmselt. Pane minu kämm ka õigesse kohta siis ära, siis ma jagan sinu ekraani. Ma olen seda... We need to learn how to actually go live in the right way. How you can set up your stuff before.
I mean, my live is already... My settings are already set up.
Aha, you are going live or what?
What do you mean?
I mean that you are not going live also yourself, eh? You don't need to mess with the YouTube settings and this. I see right now from my phone, right now I see live, it's totally black screen, I don't know what you see.
Say again?
Check the live from a YouTube channel, I sent you a link.
I'm checking, you're sharing your own stuff, no? You're not sharing
But you can see the screen?
Yes, but you're sharing your stuff, you're not
I mean like, I see a fucking black look. That's why I'm asking from you. I'm sharing my stuff, yeah, I'm sharing my stuff because I cannot see nothing. For me, the screen is black. Yeah. Okay, let's do one by one. Now let's see. If I would share your screen. Let me see. What is yours? Yours is meat. Join this screen. Window capture. Live streaming. Nope, not this one. Meat. Push on this one. Nope. Live streaming YouTube. Go to Chrome window. Still the same. Frog, I needed to make your window separately. Okay, let's make it separately. Today the beginning is not so good. Meanwhile, when I'm setting up, you can check the setups. Maybe you're gonna find something, then you can tell me as well. Otherwise,
I'm working on your camera.
What's more important? Actually, both. Yeah, I agree.
I mean, the market is just opening. I want to see some more clarity.
All right. Okay, let's see how many freaking windows I have open in here. The answer is too many. So, where I don't find it? Meat. I found it. Okay, anti-screen, transition. Hallelujah. So does it mean now that in live also going this capture, let's check it. Are you guys able to see it properly? The right screen. It shows live right now. Oh! Works. But you know what I think? I have a feeling that my mic is going right now. Through Mac mic. Microphone AUX. Ah no, it's not going. It's correct. Let's try. Nope. Okay, so everything is okay. Seems that everything is in place. Oh yeah! That's our record time to get the screen in place. It only took 5 minutes after extra 5 minutes. So I don't know exactly. Do we have right away Antti some setup or no?
Right now, no, because I had this area over here. By the way, can you mute your YouTube stuff background?
Okay. Both sounds are coming through hot as well.
Yeah.
Okay, so what you were saying? That there is no setup.
So these areas that I drew last week.
Yes.
So originally we had this fair value gap over here that we were targeting, and actually it respected very well. Oh, what happened? Wait. So it respected this area really well. And it came all the way down from market open. So you already closed $20, which is like 10% on an account with one single trade. Then my second entry would have been actually if it tapped into this area, kind of retesting it. But since I watched the FIFA World Cup, I was sleeping at this time. So the market came back down. So we are kind of a little bit in a no trade zone as of now. So I would like to see what the market is going to do, how it's going to react from the yesterday's push up. And my good sell area actually would be higher, but we might not go there. Maybe this area holds, so we just do a shallow retracement into this move over here. So we can move a little bit smaller time frame and check also here possible entry setups.
Okay, let's talk about what happened in the morning. What happened Friday and what happened in the morning.
So what happened in the morning?
Well,
Morningstar
I get paid. I get my biggest trade so far together.
Yes. That's good. $20, 10% in one single trade. That's how you actually grow the small capital. But Kent, you maybe share that stuff. I will finish my breakfast and then I come back in like few minutes because market is not doing anything right now anyway. So you can talk a little bit.
Cool. Let's do it. I have some screens to set up anyway, and I'm gonna show you guys. I actually wanted to make also in here one extra screen. What is gonna be anti zoom, and let's do it like this. That we can do it. It was screen capture, right? a screen window, and we have Chrome Live straighten up. This was not it. It was some other one. Studio properties, Safari, terminal. Come on, which one is this? How I lose it again? Ah, Meet. Okay. Coolio. And now with this one, we can first make it very good size. And then I don't remember what button was opening that, but still, can't find it. By the way, Antti, you still have like this white box in the middle, what I tell you also the last time, what looks pretty ugly on your chart.
In the middle, it's in the corner of trading view. It's for the trades.
Okay, all I'm saying is like it looks ugly.
You and your detail.
Come on, need to be good. Like who is gonna watch it when there is like a beautiful black screen and then you know, then there is like a 1985 like Windows 95 boxer. Look at this now.
That's what metadata is.
Ooh, so I made like a zoom from this. Let's see if it's gonna go live as well. If I need to zoom in your stuff that you're showing. You should see in the live anytime now. Okay, that is better. But there is like that's the only thing is like we need to every time when we're coming live we need to actually kind of like build up these things again. I wonder if there is like a better way.
I actually started, I opened up, today I'm running it through the OBS because in this Streamlabs, it was even worse. At least in OBS, everything is kind of in a place, but in Streamlabs, everything was out of space. So I got pissed off. I'm running it through OBS.
Yeah. OBS actually is like I would say I learned to love it over a week period of time now through trial and error. So it is definitely better if you have time when you set up your stream or something. If you have enough time that you can play with the settings and play with different things, what the different stuff is doing, and also time when you're going live that you have actually like maybe extra, half an hour when you can go actually live, check it out, set it up, everything, and make sure everything works. For me, I kind of come like this that 2:59 my time or 1:59 my time. I was still eating my food. I was still eating my food, and then I run in here, and then I start doing the setup. So we not having the most professional setup yet today, but we are making pretty good profit already. I'm thinking if I can share my phone screen into here, I should be able to share my phone screen also.
Sure.
But the thing is, it's my other phone. It's like I'm not really using it for more than watching my.
Maybe just make a screenshot and send to you, and then show from the account.
Let me see if I can do. Maybe I can do like a screen capture as well. Let me see. So for everybody who is here. By the way, right now, why we are not planning to go in right now, we have like there is like a very big like a bullish order block what we are bouncing on.
So where do you want to enter?
I mean like the indicator kind of showing like a massive fat big juicy green area where it is coming back just like You know, first time coming back. So don't you think that this would be the buy situation or what?
Do you see any other conferences why we should go into buy
No,
and where?
I don't.
You talk about 1 hour?
I'm talking about what I see right now in your screen and my screen. There is like a big green block. All right?
What time frame?
Huh?
What time frame?
Your time frame, what is in your screen right now? What you're sharing?
Okay, 1 hour. So
You are right now
You want
between
to
the
go into
red and green, and usually it's like what you have teach me is that when it goes up, like when it drops, and then it goes up and then it comes down into the disorder block, then that would be the time when to go potentially.
But do you see that it already went up once?
Yeah, but that's the point. It needs to come down to touch this area again, this liquidity area.
1 second.
You see, guys, this is why we are trading together. Because Antti is like knows a little bit more things to watch now. I would go like totally. It's like if I have this kind of thing, I would like okay, full bullish, all maximum lots. But if I watch also 1 hour chart, then it feels that it is. No, it's like. What do you think overall today is like we are looking for a buy or sell position?
So I also posted yesterday into my group chat.
Group chat link, by the way, is under the screen, so you can go check it out. You can get in free.
So all in all, I'm expecting to see some upwards momentum, but not too much. So I'm expecting today that we actually retrace higher so we can get some solid sell setups. I wouldn't want to particularly buy from a downtrend. If you check weekly, we actually closed super bearish. So yeah, we are in a phase where we need to be also at the same time very careful, because we are at the lows and the price can push higher if we go into the sells, but also need to be careful to go into the buys because we are technically in a downtrend.
Okay,
buy
so
would mean a counter trend.
conclusion: we're gonna be careful.
Yep.
But anyway, either way, it's like I'm not gonna do the trades anyway before I'm talking with you, and we have today actually something to talk about. We're gonna have a little challenge, but we're gonna talk about it in a little while. So let's continue right now the analysis what you were making, Antti. Analysis.
So right now we monitor. Yeah. And I'm gonna make coffee.
Okay, now we monitor and we have a coffee time. So, coffee is very important part of the trading. I, for example, have 2 cups in here. One is almost finished and one is a new one. Yeah, so I have a good woman. She taking care of me. I went for a run yesterday. You see, Antti, yeah?
Yeah, so 1 second, I will close my mic. Where can I close my mic? I don't know where.
Why do you close your mic?
Because you can't hear my water boiling.
No, it doesn't matter. It's normal life. You think that the other people are having some kind of trading setup and they don't have nothing. It's a real life. This is how it is. You are gonna go and get your sandwich and your coffee and everything, and with one eye you're always looking the chart that if something is gonna happen or not. That's the That's the crazy thing about trading. And not a good thing also, because it's not gonna let you rest. Like when you're starting to get like a good trade, then you're always thinking about trading. And thinking about going in again and etc etc. So yeah, let's see. Let's see what is this contrast. Let's see. Screen mirroring. MacBook. Interesting.
So how much in dollar value is your account up?
You know what? I will learn how it is to share it. But in dollar value, let me see. How can I filter out what I get total profit? I have equity right now. Equity is 277. Balance 237. So $37 out of 200. So 200 I put in there, I think. But how do I see that? History.
You can put a specific date.
Yeah, I don't remember what date we start. Last week, last month, last week. No, last week is 21. Costume, okay. So let me think when we start. I will check the history. Yeah, okay. So history, I can see we put. I put 200 on 13, 7 days. So this is costume 13 July until 20 July. Okay, my results are as follows. So I'm gonna share the screen 1 second, and then webcam transition. Come on, how I show it. Okay, you see. So this is the screen right now. 277 is on, and 36.7 is a profit. So this is now you can see also how many trades is made. One negative trade with $8 minus, and everything else is positive. So this is how it is.
Very nice.
And we have we have right now from 237 up. How many percent it is? Mr. Calculator, do we know? I will ask GPT.
What you say?
$37 out of 200. How much is percentage?
20 is 10%.
It is around 20, so 19 something, I think. Or 18 something even. How much
18, yeah.
is 37? Answer is 18.5. Not bad for 1 week.
That's good. Yeah.
So it's 3 trading days only. So basically right now average is gonna be 6% per day. Kind of like the first day, but we get 6% also.
Yeah.
But you know, over time it's gonna average out. It's not gonna be so big. And also right now is like the risk is like too high for that size of account. But I have been doing like extremely well managed risk, so I have.
But it's too high for this account, but it's also the smallest it can be.
It's the smallest it can be, so it's actually not a risk at all. So absolutely, absolutely, we are like this right now. So we are right now looking for a sign. We're looking for a sign what would tell us to short. I understand, because as Antti was saying, and if I understand correctly, is that the market overall sentiment is so down but at the same time, so it means that price is dropping still in the weekly chart. The same time we are on the low side of the last drop, so it is kind of like risky to go in on the short as well. But again, the same time it is risky to go bullish because the overall market sentiment is negative. Did I understand correctly?
Kind of.
Okay, so the overall the thing I think what, yeah, tell.
You have a funny way of explaining, but overall, yeah, good.
This is simplifying the things. Like if you're talking in mathematics, nobody's gonna understand you. Except me. I'm very good in mathematics.
Yeah. Your Indian English.
I could make a 2000 jokes with that in here, but I won't.
I remember one time I heard one phrase that was really funny for me. Nothing
Come
personal
again.
to anybody, but how people in India say if somebody has passed away, they don't say you don't pass away, you expire.
Yeah, expire. That's true.
That's so funny. Expire means
Yeah.
it got old, but yeah, somebody dies. Oh yeah.
I mean, yeah, it was funny when I heard first time. Also, I heard this like when the guy was saying. Also, one friend of mine was like, "Yeah, my father expired." Fuck, is like you wanna laugh also at the same time. Yeah.
Yeah, that's funny.
Well, you were not laughing, so not that funny, I guess. But you are also
Kent, when was the last time?
You're a hard person to make laugh. Also, you're only for the very stupid like things you're laughing.
Yeah. When was the last time you made egg paste?
Egg paste. This is some kind of
Yeah.
gay. Is this some kind of gay thing?
Oh,
Munavõi või?
the eggs. Yeah, munavõi.
Oh shit. I did in Bali when I was living in Bali. I do it, but the mayonnaise in there was not very good, or at least I did not find a very good one. And because I don't eat mayonnaise really, then it's like very hard to find in a new place, you know, something but this kind of tastes similar or the same, you know. But the eggs, for example, I don't know if you have noticed that the eggs in some countries are really freaking good compared with the European eggs. So it's like in Thailand, for example, really, really good, and in Bali, very good. Vietnam also very, very good eggs.
I honestly don't know how the Estonian egg is tasting.
I don't remember also, but I know that the Spanish one is definitely not as good as it is in here in Asia. Like 100%. Like I eat it. I eat every day so many eggs. I have like box of eggs. I have like 10 eggs per day or something like that. It's normal. It's wild. How many eggs and how much rice I'm eating and how many kilos of chicken it's going. It's like my primary food, you know.
You know, we should have actually tried the 30-minute long position, but I just saw it now.
No, not saw it now. I told you before that we should go. That I would go. And you're saying that it's too risky.
1 hour, but 1 hour was nothing. You said 1 hour.
Yeah, but 1 hour is the same. What do you think I should go? What do you think? Go or not, Antty? It's not too late.
Now it's too late.
You think it's too
already
late?
100 pips.
It is? It's too late.
I mean,
But it's okay
already
also.
done.
It's okay also because I already, today, I had a winning day.
Yep.
So,
I mean, what I can see is that on a smaller time frame, it is kind of building a little bit bullish structure. If you look here, we are forming higher highs, higher lows, but in the overall trend, we are still very bearish. So bigger time frame is bearish, smaller time frame is bullish. So yeah, again, I would like to see the price push a little bit higher and then potentially find a sell position, but we might wait. Let's see.
Okay. Now I will share also with some people the link. So now we are properly rolled out again. It's weird. I have these guys who who are really interested. They show everything they're interested. They say that they need money. They need to do something. They even put the money on the account, and they make one trading day, positive trading day, winning their first whatever $2 or $5 or whatever, and then they disappear. Beats me. I don't know where. If they need money so much, why they don't take out also, or they don't put more in. They don't participate. Just don't participate, But it's like with this mentality, like if you really need something, I mean, like if you really need money, but you're not doing anything for it. How you can make some money?
I mean, coming to trade to make money, to pay some bills is already a very bad approach, because you put yourself under pressure that I need to make money. But if you do trading, actually, you should have some sort of additional main income, and your goal in the beginning is anyway just to grow account, get disciplined, and start to follow risk management. Like I'm teaching you now, and what we're doing. Basically, you're not right now trading with a €200 account to cash out $30 today, right? Your goal is to scale it to 1,000 and 1,000 plus. So
not 1,000 and 1,000 plus. The goal is to actually we can talk about it now. What we are planning to do. So we are gonna do. You talk. You younger.
No.
You younger guy.
Coffee.
Generation Gen Z or what? You're Gen Z, yeah?
No.
You're not?
Gen Z is the one who is born after 2000, no?
No.
It is.
No, I think
I'm pretty sure.
I think in maybe yes. Let's see.
Who's faster? What year Gen Z is born?
97 and plus.
Ma olen millennial.
Yeah, I'm also millennial. But my girlfriend is a Gen Z. I was thinking I'm gonna make a joke with you also that you're Gen Z, but yeah.
Your girlfriend very young.
She not young. I'm just very old.
Yes, you are.
No, okay. So anyway,
kuulete.
Tell me.
Do you know what is coming after Gen Z?
After Gen Z, Gen X.
Yeah.
It would be logical.
Generation Alpha.
They got the coolest name, but they are Gen X, right? Or no?
No, it's called Generation Alpha.
Alpha,
2013 up to 2024.
Okay. Strange, yeah. So generation.
By the way, have you checked?
Okay, I see now the graph. So generation X is like 65 until 80 is generation X. Then there is baby boomers. Baby boomers are before. So before war is baby boomers is 46, 64. Then is Gen X up until 80. Then is millennials until 96. Then Gen Z until 2012, and then Gen Alpha 13 to 24, and then Gen Beta. These guys got like a pretty bad name for themselves, like Generation Beta. I'm Generation Beta. You suck. Fuck, it's like I'm now thinking like, okay, which is like yeah, no, it's it's cool. My children also generation.
By the way,
my children also Gen Z. So I have my girlfriend and the children both are from the same generation. Tell me, by the way, you were
that
saying.
sounded bad, by the way.
Tell now.
I had a VPN on, so I'm actually surprised that everything was working perfectly.
Yeah, if you have like, if you're not using free VPN, then it's okay, I think.
Now, yesterday, for example, my VPN was on and ChatGPT didn't work properly.
So okay, let's face it. Our like this chart itself is not not the best looking. It doesn't have the highest quality on live, but you can see and you can understand it's not anymore like the first calls what we had. Rather we have like video cameras are like shaky a little bit. But I'm sure that there is also another way how to do this setup like really good way. Just the thing is that we are like a lot of countries apart.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway. Doesn't matter. All good. All good. Do you want to do the live also tomorrow or what?
I mean, every day. And I want to start also doing directly to TikTok.
TikTok. Yeah, we need to try the TikTok live also.
We are pushing higher.
TikTok live also. We should definitely do. Let's see now.
How much traffic do you get to YouTube?
How many views you mean?
Yeah.
Dependent. So the max we have had like is like 70 or something. Last ones I don't know exactly. I have not checked. But let's say around 50 people maybe watching total. But I don't know the times because a lot of people like our quality is kind of not good yet. We're just learning, and then it's like it's okay when we don't have so much as well in the beginning. But the TikTok definitely would be a good add-on. We can definitely get more traffic flow. Come on, Antti, look at this now. Why you did not let me do make a bullish move?
I didn't see on 30 minutes, otherwise I would have gone.
Okay, so we are also missing the trade, or I mean Antti is. But also thanks to Antti, I still have money on the account. Otherwise, it would be already finished, liquidated. Maybe not actually. I'm not that bad. I'm not that bad trader, but I'm gambling like too much.
The secret of growing a small account is that you do very few but very precise trades. And as you can see already, you don't need to trade too often to already have like almost 20% capital growth. You know?
True.
I remember when I was trading on a different broker a few years back, and I was trading synthetic indices, and I was always doing kind of a account flipping. So I start every day with $200 or 200 euros, and then I risk about 50 to 100 bucks, which is like 25 to 50% for one setup. and I try to make it a hit, and then I can get 50 up to 70% capital growth from this trade if it hits TP. So on average, I was doing every day. I start with 200. I ended up with a day about 500 or up to $1,000, and then I cash everything out. I keep on a 200 account, and then I quit for the day, and I start fresh the next day. That's what I was doing. Like, that's how I learned also, like, to really have a patience and not trade every move, every up and down, and try to predict where it is going next. Like every swing we are trying to predict, right? Oh, here it potential turns out, I will go to the sell, and then eventually it doesn't go. So I'm just basically waiting confluences and confirmations from the higher time frame.
Might be an unpopular opinion, but you can outrun a bad.
That is absolutely a good strategy. Absolutely my screw strategy. Let's see. Yeah, last day is like the views are coming, but it's like it's not like massively. And replay also is like people are watching the replay as well. I see one replay in here is like 43 times they watch a replay, and it's not really promoted anywhere else. It's just like, and also the quality is like, let's face it, the quality is shit. So the video quality in the first ones, like now we have a quality video quality already like a night and day compared with the previous one. So we definitely should get also the numbers up. What we need to do also is like we need to prepare the websites. You already have like one website, one landing where people are able to come. I'm gonna do it also in the next couple of days. I have like a little bit work in front, but I'm still going on before I'm able to do that one. And then I'm gonna do like also a page where people can go and then they can see our live times and like everything, all the information, you know. Also registration links. We have people coming in also potentially for the affiliate program as well. So let's see. I have like a couple of people who are like interested and you know, they're talking about it and they're doing something, but also at the same time they're missing, and I don't feel like running behind the people, you know. And there are so many people in the world who might be much more ignited and doing themselves, you know, the stuff. So today I don't have this feeling. But we have also these automated like versions. If somebody's interested, also just chat about it. Put it in the chat box. We have like these options as well, where we are able to connect you with like a copy options. What is like most of the countries is available and like totally okay to do. So you can check it yourself, the rules and everything. But with the major brokers, with the big brokers, just to like. We have like some pockets what we're using also ourselves, and if you want we're gonna share it also with you. So under the video there is gonna be a link. I'm actually gonna check it if it is there right now. And if it is not right now already there, then I will add it, because Antti was sending it to me. Sinu link siin. Okay, that's good. You know what I see from my live right now? I see something what I was showing, like what I was showing the phone with the balances, and this is like 15 minutes ago already. How are you seeing the live? What moment you're seeing right now?
I'm seeing your screen. You're not even sharing my screen.
What do you mean?
I don't know. I'm sharing your trading view.
You see my trading view.
Uh-huh.
Ah, it is, yeah? And why you don't say it before? I was always looking on the side, you know, that everything is okay because I'm this thing. Okay, this was like for a while. Now I go. Okay, this is another. It's like 22 until 20 what, 27? 5 minutes I had this screen trading view just in there, we're talking in here, you know. Okay, amateurs now, what you're gonna say now? Nothing to do, just learning.
You are.
Yes, and I'm doing it with a reason because you could not do it. Because if you remember correctly, our calls were in the beginning like this, that you're gonna share the screen and I'm just gonna stream it forward. But that didn't work because somebody was not able to put like settings in place and was every time like 1 hour late to start. You remember that? Huh? So you keep your jokes for yourself. Have you heard, Antti, that every have you heard, Antti, that every bully has a bully? So you can try. When I was young, my mother tell me that, hey Kent, this mouth of yours is gonna get you into trouble. And that's true. The most into trouble I have always got because the way how I'm hurting people with my with the things what I say. I know the hard buttons, you know. Luckily we know each other like already for a while, so when I say something, then you understand it's a joke. It's like you're not gonna cry anymore like in the beginning.
Estonians always have a black humor.
Yeah, it's easy for Estonians because you can say everything with a straight face. Because Estonian happy,
Yeah.
Estonian sad. Still,
You know,
all impressions are
they
the same.
They always say, Kent, they always say that English people has a weird humor, right?
Oh my. English
All
people have
weird jokes.
never been in Estonia.
But yeah, that's what I wanted to say. Like, if you guys could hear what kind of jokes we make between very good friends, you would be thinking that this is very nasty.
For sure. For sure, and a lot of people they think like this as well.
Yeah.
They think as well like this, that this is like a little bit too mean, that or we are roasting each other too much or whatever stuff. Is like, no, it's not. It's not like that. We are doing it already since we're children. We're not some kind of, you know, how do I say this?
Snowflakes.
Snowflakes. Good, exactly. I started saying vanillas, but snowflakes is better. Yeah, we're not snowflakes. We are like, nothing's gonna happen. We're not getting our feelings hurt too easily. Like some people, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's see now. So right now when it is rising, the price is obviously rising. What is the moment what you're looking for right now? Where you wanted to see it coming back?
I mean, today was already two good setups. The both that it dropped from the opening and then from the retracement. So what I would like to see is that if we can push higher from here, and the potential area where we could see some rejection would be 40 up to 44.
How is it right now? 417. Okay.
By the way, talking about this egg paste, you know, mayonnaise is very high in calorie, right?
Yes.
One day, actually, that was already 6 months ago when I was still living in Manila, but
Yeah.
I actually did the macros on the egg paste,
Yeah.
and I was very surprised by the macros that I was seeing.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, three eggs or 4 eggs that I put in, I got like very little fat and carbs
Yeah.
from them, but I got like enough protein, right? Let's say 35-40 grams.
Yeah.
But the mayo that I put in, they gave like 600 calories, and I was like, what the fuck? I'm getting like 600 up to 700 calories from this egg paste, and it's coming from the mayo mainly.
Yes.
So I was like, wow, that's so crazy.
But you
That's
know,
so crazy.
but you
to
know why?
change some-
You know why why mayo has so much? Because
No, why?
because mayo is like is 90% oil. It's just the oil
Oh.
mixed with the egg, and then there's like mustard and whatever stuff is like for taste. But basically, if you can see in YouTube like how to make a mayo in home, then you're never gonna eat mayo anymore. It's just like
Okay.
it's an egg and oil, nothing else basically. If you drink, just the oil from the bottle, also you're gonna have a lot of calories.
Yeah. Maybe that's why I was gaining so much body mass when I was bulking, because I absolutely love mayo. I can finish one mayo pack in like 1 week, and that's like what it is.
Yeah, for sure.
470 ml. So it's a quite big one, you know. That's basically done in 1 or 1.5 weeks.
Are you counting calories right now?
No,
Okay. Why? Because you're lazy?
I'm not. I don't have here in this Airbnb. I don't have the
You don't have the scale, yeah?
scale.
Ah.
Yeah.
I also don't have, but I know more or less how much I'm putting. Like, I write down like 1 month in a row. I write down all of the foods, and I see like I just wanted to know like first time in my life to track actually what I'm eating and how much it actually is. And actually like this was the best thing what I could do, because like I understood like that I have been doing the eating so wrong, you know. And because of eating wrong way is like I don't have power and blah 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 whatever. It's like eventually like I changed eating, and then everything was like super good. I gained a lot of weight, but like a muscle mass like immediately, and strength like massively like.
That's good.
But now it's like one month. I go to the gym now first time after 1 month not being in a gym at all. 1 month I've been running like the last month, and I don't go so much to the gym. But every day running and doing maybe 2 times per week only gym. And now 1 month was when I was in Vietnam. I was not going to the gym at all. And I go yesterday, the day before, I go to the gym. I make another membership, and then I do like a proper pump with a lot of power sets. Like I try to get like as much as possible, you know, to get like something moving, but not with like extremely heavy weights. Not in the way that I lift before, because like even bicep curls and this kind of stuff is like it's like I would say 30% less I can lift right now than I was like 1 month ago, 1.5 months ago, when not been doing it. But what?
I had the same thing because I was also sick. I was sick. Not now, but a few weeks back, and I don't know. My recovery took so long time, so I didn't go to gym for like 2 months.
Yeah.
I think 2 months, and I lost a lot of body weight as well, because I was also running and
By the
not
way,
eating properly.
Sorry that I'm interrupting. The arrow appeared also. Just telling you. In
What time frame?
in the same one what you share, what I'm sharing right now. Let me
No,
see.
I'm
I
on
have.
30 minutes. 1 hour.
Let me see what is mine saying. 1 hour, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Let's see.
Let's see. I put anti-screen, zoom. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we can do. By the way, guys who are in here right now and looking, we are trading gold. We are trading gold. We are actually looking the selling place, not the buying place.
We could look for buy actually if the price would
Retrace.
because because we are kind of building a little bit bullish moment.
Yeah, I feel also this way. Not feel, but see now.
If for example price pushes here, then come back down around here,
Yeah.
maybe it can build something like this, you know. So we could potentially look sells over here and buys over here and target the previous high. So we need to monitor a little bit, but we can basically trade both sides, but with cautious, of course. Let me check. As price bounced, but we don't have enough space in the opposite order block area.
Yeah.
So we literally have a red over here and another red over here. Okay, it is 100 pips, but still. What I would like to see actually to go into a buy position, what would be really nice is that if price closes through and this bearish order block actually disappears and the price starts to hold this level. I also have a reminder or alert over here, 4,039. If the price can keep this, then we can definitely go higher into this 4,000.
Okay, but now it's like regarding the entry, if it's gonna go through right now, through this bearish order block in there, what would be like? Are you waiting until it's gonna drop again, or you're gonna go right in there?
So that's what I was just saying. Right now, what we need to do, we need to monitor how the price reacts from this zone. If it gets rejected, we can sell into this green area. But if it doesn't get rejected and it actually drives through, I want to see that the price actually starts to hold it. So basically, I want to see that the price starts to hold like this, and then we can look for another buy. But if the price gets rejected, we can look into sell over here. Shit. Wait. So let's see how the price is going to react, and in the meantime I will also look for what the futures chart is doing.
It's pushing through right now. Already through the smaller one.
Yeah, but this is also here is also a structure. So if I go into a black canvas, so here you see a very clean structure, and also for the how can I say in English, if you want less noise, then make everything kind of gray, white, black, like you can see on my screen right now. You can see, right?
Yeah.
So in this way, you're not biased by the candle colors. but it helps actually your brain to kind of see just pure
Patterns.
market structure.
Yeah.
So we are right now in this neckline. So this is the trade that we missed because we were targeting over here, right? In Thursday or Friday.
Friday.
But the price broke through this neckline over here, this very strong support.
True.
And now it became a resistance because as you can see, it was tested multiple times over here, then again here and here and here, then it broke through, then it retested over here, got rejected, retested here, got rejected. So now I want to see how it's gonna react over here. Plus also at the same time we are in a
So if it's gonna go
downside
rejected right now, then it would be basically the direction would be down. If it goes through, then it's basically overall, like it seems that it's getting bullish, right?
So again, what I want to right now look and monitor is how it's gonna react over here. But at the same time, we are in this trend line. So this is very crucial spot right now because the price have been respecting this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 times already.
Yeah.
And this is the point where it either rejects or gets rejected and comes back down, or it breaks through. So plus also we have
so if it breaks through, then it's like basically like a trend change, right? I mean
kind of, yes,
because right now
I mean maybe talk.
So right now is like the thing what I can see is like the lows are getting like less downwards momentum. It's like slowing down. It's not gonna make it's not making so much lows anymore, and it feels that if you're looking the highest and lowest points only, then it seems just the momentum slowing down because last low and previous low of that in a big time frame is almost the same level already.
Yep. So now I also want to teach you something. So every time when the let me zoom closer because maybe otherwise people don't see it in the live, but every time when price pushes lower over here, it creates liquidity. It creates liquidity. Like we have liquidity above this week high, we have liquidity above this week high, above this week high, and this is a gap that has not been filled yet. So but we come back to this later. Then we have here resting liquidity. Price never came back to test it over here. We have resting liquidity over here, over here. So here is a lot of resting liquidity that the market can potentially come and take out, and then we can come back down. So that's why we need to be like very cautious and really see what the market is gonna do, and based on that, how it reacts, we do our analysis, and then we set our setups.
So that's why, children, we are using stop loss, not just swinging one or other direction. So we never know, even if it seems that some kind of structure is broken, and then it might not go in that way overall in different time frame.
And also what I can show you. So basically everything that I just told you, we can always look on the left and see how the price reacted over these resting liquidity areas. So I haven't drawn this, but if I pull it up over here, black. So that was a resting liquidity. Price came, swept it out. Then this was a resting liquidity. Price came, took it out. Here was a resting liquidity. What price did, price took it out twice. So the market always comes where is resting liquidity, because, and what I mean by resting liquidity, it means that if somebody is in short order somewhere here, let's
Yeah.
say, where is their stop loss? Their stop loss is above the previous week high. And where the market is coming into previous week high. The same thing is basically here. Their stop loss is somewhere over here, a few pips above the previous week, and what the price did, it swept the liquidity. That's what I mean. It's always resting liquidity above the previous swing highs and week highs, and the market pretty much always comes and takes them out. So yeah, this is what we can also expect here to happen, because it has been consolidating now very long time. So if you take it from here to here, that's 25 days. So almost 1 month it has been consolidating in this range. So it has built both sides insane amount of liquidity, and when the break finally happens, either upside or downside, it will be very, very strong. So yeah, let's see. Right now, let me see. Okay, we have 47 minutes till 1 hour close. What's the 4 hour says? 4 hour is kind of bullish, but at the same time, it hasn't broken the structure. So 30 minutes. $15. Yeah. So right now we pretty much just have to monitor what it's gonna do in this area.
That's yeah.
By the way, in the meantime, we can also check some other pairs. And I actually would like to see what the DEX is doing.
Check some pairs, I'm coming back in a moment. You can talk also.
Yeah.
Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Do we have any potential money-making opportunities here?
I'm looking right now.
I'm looking into your eyes.
On 15 minutes, we actually got a sell signal or a potential setup.
In a 15 a minute. Is the
Yeah.
one what you're showing right now?
Yep. But I wouldn't want to buy from kind of a swing high. I mean, it's not an A plus setup. It's kind of okay setup, but not the best. So I would wait for another opportunity personally.
For a sale, huh?
No, I mean, it can be a buy as well, but again, I want to see how the price is going to react from this area. So I'm not doing right now anything.
My fingers are
But
itchy.
what I
My
was
fingers are
looking-
itchy. I wanna trade. I wanna sell. I wanna sell
But
so
look
bad.
at this. But look at this, Kent. On Friday,
Yes.
I was monitoring.
What time frame is
I was
that?
monitoring GBP pair. That's 1 hour. But in this indicator, I will actually go to the black chart, so it's easier to
But
see.
now
more
it's
clear.
like even if it's gonna go through that trend line, it's still gonna come back down. Most probably, right? Retrace is.
So let's see what's gonna
retrace
do.
is gonna happen anyway.
So right now we're not doing anything. We're just monitoring gold. But I want to take this moment and show you something on GBP JPY. So I was just talking also yesterday about with one of my friends, and I told him that market structure and price action, basically naked chart is the king. The market structure is the king, and this is here clearly shows that as well. So what here happened, as you can see, we are constantly forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So we are most definitely in a bullish market, right? So we are mainly looking only for buys, and the best way to enter after this big swing is actually from the place where it broke the structure. So this is the highest point, and this is where it broke. That's the kind of neckline that I always like to say.
Yeah.
It's the neckline where it broke the structure.
Yeah.
And the entry would be from the retest. And as you can see, it just literally wicked into this area and went up. So that would have been a perfect buy opportunity over here. Put the stop loss just below the box, that would be 30 pips.
Yeah.
And we could target the last week high, which is kind of resting liquidity. And that would have been perfectly executed. 78 pip trade, risking 30 pips. That's 2.6 risk reward ratio, which is absolutely amazing. So yeah, but let's see, maybe we can find something similar also in other pairs. I will scan a little bit. You can talk in the meantime.
Yeah, you keep scanning. Keep scanning. Scanning. I'm scanning. Let me see if you have any people. Right now there is nobody, I think, in besides us, but there is later gonna be anyway in a replay. Somebody's gonna watch, somebody's gonna learn. Every time we get a little bit more. And let's see where it's gonna bring us. Maybe there is gonna be somebody who is like a really good trader and is coming to us. Hey, is like, look, Maybe you can do it even much better and then we make so much money. Anyway, no matter. You were watching a game yesterday also or no?
I watched it till 6 a.m. because it was so long game.
Well, I don't know. I was sleeping. but did you bet on Argentina or Spain?
I don't do betting, but I was rooting for Spain. I wanted Spain to win, and the game was so crazy good. I mean, I would never expect to see that Argentina does 0 goal attempts, like inside the box. Like the whole 120 minutes, they didn't do even one single shot on the box, you know, on the goal. The Spain was controlling the whole game. The Spain dominated the game. It was not even a pressure. It was pure dominance. They possessed the ball, I think, 80-90% of the time. Every time Argentina tried to do something, the guys just completely shut them down. They took the ball from Messi. They took ball from everybody. As soon as Spain lost for the ball, just for 2 seconds, they already had the control back. So it looked like Spain was playing against the kids, you know? It didn't look like they play against the former world champion.
Yeah.
That was crazy level difference.
I did not see the game, but I was betting on it without money, obviously. But I bet like for past I think 14 games or something. I put who wins, and only one is miss. Every game would be right now a win. But I was looking yesterday at the betting thing also in Polo Market, and it was like 1.5 only was the winning. And I was thinking that fuck is like this like it's easier to make money in trading than in betting, you know.
Yeah, true.
Anyway, good. Happy that you're so happy about it. I was also rooting for Spain, but not really watching the game.
So I might have something here.
You might have. Okay.
So you can see GBP AUD, right?
British pound. Yeah.
Yep.
So what is with that?
See.
You wanna short it or you wanna?
Why are you sharing your screen again? No, that's mine or what?
That's your screen.
What is this?
That's your screen in Zoom right now.
Wait. Oh, yeah. I don't know. This YouTube is so weird sometimes. So I drew quickly the areas where the price has previously bounced off.
Yeah.
And I can see now that, for example, this big move that the price did on Wednesday, GBP USD did pretty much full retracement, and USD is also on an uptrend. GBP JPY also did the full retracement and is in uptrend. GBP GHF is also on uptrend and made pretty much full recovery, but GBP AUD is not on an uptrend. I mean, it already took out a lot of liquidity over here, so it's showing. By the way, why I'm getting echo? Basically, GBP AUD price action shows me that it's already weakening. The trend is weakening because it actually made a lower low. Based on all of this structure, it made a massive lower low.
Yeah.
And then it failed to break higher.
Yes.
So we can actually see the price coming down, but at the same time, I don't want to enter right away. But what I would like to see is that the price pushes a little bit down, retrace it over here, Then we look our sell setup, and we can potentially target over here,
Mhm.
and that's kind of
Our magical game plan.
Let's see.
Okay.
Yep, 28 pips. Let me see what's it gonna be on a lower time frame. So 30 minutes is about to close. 15 minute.
By the way,
Actually,
if somebody's in here right now and
hey,
you
look,
have questions, you can.
listen. We can go in now. GBP AUD.
CPP AUD sell.
Yes, like now. And stop loss is 1.925.
CPP. Let me see how I'm gonna find it. Okay.
So how much lot?
CPP AUD, right?
How many pips is? 12 pips stop loss. So that's 0.92524 and sell by market. And I want to see how much is my risk actually. So I bought 0.1 lot.
Mm-hmm. I bought
I can
0.01
tell you right away.
with my 200 account.
No, that's too small. That's too small.
Why? It's
Because the lot size in GBP pairs are different.
it's different. Okay.
Yeah.
How many I should put then?
0.1.
0.1 with $200 on account.
Yes, I'm gonna tell you in a moment how much it's gonna be in a risk if my MetaTrader 4 would final open.
GBP AUD Australian dollar, yeah. Great
Yep.
Britain versus Australian dollar. 0.
I can tell you also here.
And it was sell, right?
I'm so stupid.
Just,
Yes, sell.
Just confirming.
So the risk is $8.
Okay.
So we're risking very little.
What was the stop loss? 1 point.
So I put the stop loss
9 something.
1.92524.
And profit.
I haven't set yet. Wait 1 sec. That's 20 pips, but wait.
Mm-hmm. Either it's gonna be profit or loss. I'm happy that we at least did the trade. I was so itchy for the trade, so.
I just hope that we don't get stopped out with the spread. The spread is, I mean, we have very tight stop loss. It's just, what is this?
Yeah, it's getting pretty
13 pips.
It's getting pretty close to our stop.
What we can do actually, we can give it a little bit more breathing space, and we can move the stop loss a little bit higher. Then the risk is $15. Then at least the market has a little bit breathing time. That is kind of our protected low. So it's 1.9262.
9262, yeah.
Yeah. So I just moved the stop loss above the previous high over here. And I actually was expecting that we see the 5-minute candle to close through, but it didn't close through right now.
Check,
So
check gold
I'm
also after
thinking
this.
that. Okay, so gold is getting rejected, which is fabulous from the trend line and everything.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm, 15-minute close is nice, but straight into an OB.
What happened with the video quality? Your internet is suffering some kind of sickness, it seems.
Is it?
I don't know, a little bit hazy.
No. I think it's. Let me check my CPU. Yeah, my system is 20%. It's because I have two MetaTraders open. And, CPU usage is already.
Guys, when you're watching, you can send Antti some money to buy a new computer, so he can do a more clearer screen videos. He need more GPU.
Okay. I just closed one MetaTrader. It's just taking too much resource.
It went immediately. It went better.
Yeah.
I'm actually thinking also that I need another computer for if we are gonna do this live calls. I need a second computer in here, like to do everything properly. Because like when I'm watching from one or setting up something or doing something else, even looking the charts and stuff is like it would be better. And there is something on the side that is not the same as a streaming machine. So what is happening now with the gold? Now would be good to go into GBP. It's like seems that it's stuck in that place. No, we were too rushing.
That's cool. That's okay.
True. Playing with pennies anyway in here right now.
I mean, you cannot think about like this.
How I should think about? That I
The
need,
goal is
that I need to earn money to
so-
have a haircut today.
so the way how you should actually like how we was practicing in the beginning is that we actually turned off the dollar value. Like right now, it's profit. Actually, I have very small lot size on this account. Wait. I will put here. So I need it. 1.9262. So the way how we were doing actually, if you look my screen, we was counting profits in points or pips.
Mm-hmm.
So in this way, you're not attached to the dollar profit, but you have your own. If you have your own strategy, then you look for pips and you can hold the trade longer. And this especially works well if you're growing your account. Because what I see in the beginner traders is that when they trade with 0.0 lot size, let's say gold, you can hold much more easier the 200, 300 pip trade. But when you trade already with 0.1 lot, you're most likely going to secure profit already at 50 pips. Because the dollar seems, oh, I made $50 already, I'm gonna take the profit. But actually, that's a really shitty trade. Because otherwise, if you're already used with the bankroll management and the money management and the numbers, then you can easily hold and take your 300 pips, which is like way more money. So yeah, that's like one trick. And the way how I also practice is that I treat whatever size of the account I have, I treat it as professionally as I would treat the big account. Because how you do anything is how you do everything.
True.
And you have to practice everything the same way. It cannot work that, oh, once I have a big account, I will have a better risk management. No. You're gonna fuck it up anyway if you don't practice already on a small account. If you cannot run successfully a small account such as 500, 200, 1,000 account, then you can never ever run successfully 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 account.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Okay, so 30 seconds till 5 minute close. Can we push through? And what? Oh, wrong stuff, wrong window. And what is the gold doing? Okay, so gold actually found support from 15-minute time frame. Yeah, I'm having kind of a mixed signals with gold right now. I mean, I'm not very confident on going in right now in any position, either sell or buy. I mean, on a lower time frame, I would like to buy, but in a bigger time frame, I would like to sell. So I'm just staying out of gold right now, and just let's check what the GBP is going to give us. At the same time, GBP pairs, they can be slow at times as well, but yeah, I would like to see this structure to be broken. We might have gone in a little bit too early, but our stop loss should be safe, and I wouldn't expect it to go much higher than this area over here. That should be the absolute highest point where it's going to retrace. But still, I'm expecting it to break through finally. So let's see.
Okay, let's see. Let's see.
So regarding the TP,
Yeah.
the TP is 1.992,117.
Can you tell me again?
92117.
Okay, I have TP also plays. I don't know, the graph looks pretty. Looks like it should make a beautiful fall. What is what you're recommending, Antti, for people who are like total beginners? Where the like what is the fundamentals what they should learn first? Because like as we all know, or maybe some don't, but we know that fundamentals are the most important. So there needs to be some kind of foundation. Like for example, I never learned this like what you learn about like the liquidity areas and this like this I did not know before I started like actually doing anything with you. Before that I was just like swinging, I was just looking what is the highest points. So basically how I was trading the crypto and how I make a lot of money in there also was this, that I was just looking what is the market highs, and when it was approaching another market high, then it like it's overall is like if it was a bullish market, for example, even in a bullish market, if it did another market high and it did like some percentage on top, like let's say it made like now it made a really bullish move and it was like making market high, and then it's like I don't sell in a market high, but I'm waiting, like let's say it's gonna go 30% over, which is in crypto's case like sometimes a new high coming, but we know that it's not gonna go forever. So I short more or less in that place, like when it did like a lot over the previous high, then I short. This is the only way I short in a bullish market. And then it's like I look only the lower ones in a upwards trend when there is like a bullish market overall, and then it's like like in a big time frame, and I just look what is the lowest points where it has been going, and I trade only with one asset, so I know exactly what is the lowest points, where is the like a trend normally going, and I buying like close to the lowest points, and sometimes it go lower, and then it's like maybe I'm like a couple of days in a loss a little bit, and I'm just not ending the trade, so I leave enough liquidity that even if it would the price would drop like let's say another 30% lower, I would still not get liquidated. So it's like this is basically how I make, like, and I make a shitload of money with that. Like this is so basic strategy now. But now it's like I see that there is a lot of like this stuff what you learned, what I never learned and what I never took the time to learn. So now for the beginner traders, what would be the best place to start?
Learn the market structure. I mean,
be more specific.
That's the bread and butter. So what you can see also from my screen right now, basically what I do on any pair, I'm drawing out these boxes on the places on the market where the market have been previously reacting from. So I draw it from here. This is the starting point, and I draw it to the right side, so I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a very strong resistance area. Based on that, the way how I draw it is the bottom is always the candle body close, and the upside is not the full wick. This is too much range. I usually draw it kind of a narrow box, but here I aligned it with these wick highs. Then I saw a rejection here. Again, I drew a box, not a line, but a box. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejections. Acted as a resistance. Here acted as support. Then broke it through, and then had a massive liquidity grab upside, and got rejected also from this area. So this is now a very strong resistance. Here again, I drew a boxes, so these are kind of a ranges, what I can see. So that's why I'm looking for a sell over here, because it made a massive push up. It haven't come down to the breakout area, and here it also made a massive liquidity sweep, so I can expect the price to come down, especially because it made a liquidity sweep over here. So yeah, let's see. I hope our stop loss is not too tight, because we entered a little bit early to the market. We didn't wait for the break of structure of these lows over here. So I hope it holds and it actually breaks through, then retests, and then goes back in. But yeah, market structure is essentially just marking out the areas where the price have been getting bounced off or rejected from. That's market structure in a nutshell.
And where to learn it?
I have a course that I got luckily from a friend many years ago. That course actually cost £1,000. There is guys who are from the UK. They were running their own broker platform. They had their own kind of a mentorship program or a acceleration program. So when you work through that course, that takes you a few weeks to work all the videos through and all the materials through. And then once you finish that course, basically they do a evaluation for you, and if you pass it, you are going to become a trader for them. So that was kind of their program that they were doing, and these guys, they were teaching exactly the same thing: the market structure, the naked chart, price action, like literally zero indicators, no nothing. And they didn't overcomplicate it. It was so plain, simple English. Like now everybody talking about fair value gaps, order blocks, imbalances, inducements, CISD, MSS. So a lot of different terms that doesn't tell anything to a beginner trader. But also they work as well. But yeah, more complicated.
Okay.
Or more sophisticated. So what I can see, gold is consolidating.
What it means for us?
So to be really safe, the price need to break up, come back down over here, and then we could potentially target the previous highs. But it has to close through, and then we could potentially look for a buy, which is like 180 pips long. That could be our buy setup over here.
So you think it's gonna push more up right now?
I think so. But I mean, we are not entering. We are just waiting.
What time frame is it?
We don't do anything now. That's 30 minutes. But again, on a smaller time frame, it actually got rejected already. But I think it can be I'm not so sure right now about going into sell right away. I mean, it can get rejected already here, but I don't have a full confirmation yet.
Okay, I will put into under our live. I will put it in a message box. The Telegram link. You can come into that group. This is totally free. If you need advice or trading tools or know when is gonna be our next live, then you can get it from here. So check it out. Check it. Okay. Let's see what else good can happen. Okay. So for everybody who is in here right now, we have already one entry, which is in British pound, Australian dollar, and we are shorting it, and we are both in a little minus. So it's like if you still want to go in and you want to short together with us, then you should do it now. Yeah, and then we're looking for the rejection or breakout from the gold as well. Don't know which is gonna happen first, but we are not putting our orders in yet. Not just yet. Let's see, when we secure some profit, then when we secure daily profit, then we're gonna finish also today's session. But already right now I can see that we should always do it in this time of the day, because London market opening is much better. It feels for us than waiting in the evening until the New York and everything. So it's also more convenient because we are both in Asia and we have more day left in that sense, you know.
Sure.
So what the gold is doing now? It's falling.
I don't know what's gold doing, but I'm making another coffee.
I still have. I don't think that I'm gonna drink too much anymore today.
What?
I don't think that I'm gonna drink too much of more coffee today. I already drink a lot.
Okay, so on my what is this? So I have here.
I see, Antti, you're starting to get into positive. You're soon positive already. That's good.
Yeah. But I still have two small lot size. I have only 0.9 lots in. You know, I have on my MetaTrader 4,
Ah,
I have this trade manager. That's really amazing, especially if I'm trading pairs that I don't trade every day.
uh-huh.
So I just kind of put my. I'm not putting right away. It's like a two-step process to put the pending order uh, through the trade manager. So basically, I'm drawing exactly the same thing, kind of on a market like this, and this allows me to modify the stop loss, and then it shows me how much I'm risking per trade.
Okay.
So I can put there I want to risk 1% or 2% or 1.5 or 0.5. So it calculates me automatically the lot sizes, and then I just kind of press the second time, and then the pending order goes in. So that's really amazing tool. It really helps you to follow the risk management, and you don't have to manually calculate how much I'm risking per trade. For example, on the MT5 that I'm showing here in the corner of the window, I just put some small lots in, and probably I'm risking too low to make here any like good profit that I would be looking at the gold. But actually, let me see. So. Yeah, 19. $36. So that's still 36 times 4. That's 150-ish, 107. Yeah, I'm gonna make $170 over here if we hit the TP.
What happened with the noise? What noise is coming right now? You turn some fan on? You turn on like a fan or something or what?
No, it's the coffee.
Ah, okay. I got it.
I don't know how to turn it on. Wait.
Okay,
Hello?
our GBP AUD is approaching our entry point soon. We're at least going into that direction.
Yep.
So if you guys are watching also right now live, so we already went into GBP AUD, so British pound to Australian dollar, and we shorted. With I'm having $200 only in account, almost 300 now, but small account, and we put 0.1 lot size, but this is only for this pair. For gold I'm trading with 0.01, right? And lot sizes are different because the currency value or the value is different for each lot.
So the potential gain is the potential loss is about $15, and potential gain is about $20, $20. So
Doesn't
still like
doesn't sound like the best deal.
no, I mean we just put the stop loss a little bit higher, so it has some space to move because of the spreads, because the stop loss is really tight. It's only 20 pips. but the take profit is 28 pips, which is pretty good. And I mean, if we talk about percentage-wise, you have less than $300 account, you're getting potentially $20, $25 or $20, let's say. So you're still getting like what is that? Like 6-7% capital growth, and we are planning to do anyway the challenge, the 30-day challenge that everybody starts with kind of a $200 deposit. They get the $200 bonus from their broker, so they have a capital of 400. And our goal is to catch 1 to 3 trades per day, and the minimum kind of a or average kind of take profit would be around $10 or up to $20 per trade per setup. So I think this is a very good practice already also. And we have been doing this exactly the same thing for the last 1 week already. Your account is a very good example that we are successfully taking setups and taking profitable setups, and the account is growing. So that is also kind of a case study for the upcoming challenge that we're gonna run for 30 days.
Okay, so
talking about GA. So whenever I say GA, it means GBP AUD. If I say GJ, it's a GBP JPY. It's just basically a short version of GBP AUD is GA. So what we can see on GA, 1 hour very nicely close through the wicks, which I like. It's a very nice bearish sign. It's about to a market structure. It actually did the market structure shift, as you can see, MSS over here, MSS over here. So we should very soon start to see dropping this price. So on 1 hour, it's very nice, very clean. I'm very confident on that. Much more confident than I am right now on gold, because gold is in a difficult spot that, yeah. So 30 minutes actually got rejected. Let me see. 1 hour, still not confirmed yet. I mean, it actually came into 1 hour area, but rejected. Maybe we should have just put the stop entry over here, or a pending sell limit over here. We could already cash in 100 pips. But it is what it is. Can't catch them all. So let's just wait what's it gonna do. Since we already got our setup, we are not in a rush anymore. And I think, in my opinion, this is much more clean setup that gold is giving us right now. Euro USD, nothing. US 30. What the happened here? What the hell?
Yup. We are approaching our entry point. I'm happy to see that it's going in the right direction. Antti, you are like a freaking genius, with these trades. It's like how all my trades before I started trading with you, it's like how all of my trades is like 90% of the time it is in a minus, and it is 90% more in a minus than I eventually get the profit. So for example, to make a $1,000 profit, it will go to 5,000 in loss first. So so it's kind of, and it's most of the time, like 90% of the time, it's sitting in a deep minus until it's gonna make me a plus, But so yeah, it's good. But even like this, if you are with just if you don't over leverage, you can, even with a very bad strategy and with a bad entries, you are still able to make money. You need to be very patient and leave your trades open, and then it's like if you know that your liquidity level is enough and you're not gonna hit this you never know this obviously, because like sometimes there is big shifts in the market and you're gonna get liquidated. And of course, like with this strategy also, I get liquidated every, like, let's say 3-4 months as well. But during these 3-4 months I usually make like multiple times the profit, you know. But now I also know is like okay, this is not maybe not the best strategy, you know, to sit in a minus all the time. If like, if I would learn some stuff, maybe it would be like I would have like 100k trading account in here again. That's like long time ago when I had 100k on trading, you know. It's it has been couple of years.
Well, definitely it's doable. I mean, I'm also growing one of my small account. I started with 1k. It's at 1.8k now, and I want to reach around. I made some calculations, so I should be able to reach around 4k or 5k by the end of the year. And by next summer I should be easily over 10k with that. And eventually I want to reach it all the way to 100k. Yeah, it's gonna take a couple of years, but it will be a nice progress, and actually low increase is much better for you psychologically, and you can adapt to the bigger capital, so you can always adjust and get used with the numbers, because that's what I was also saying earlier before. If you switch from $200 account into $2,000 account, then
it becomes mentally difficult. True.
Yeah, and your trade quality goes down. So when you gradually are increasing and growing, then it's much better for you. Of course, it's a very slow and boring grind. As I can see from yourself as well, you're so impatient. I want to go in, I want to go in, I want to go in. But you have to follow your rules and be patient, because just another day, last week, I saw 2 videos actually, which was very funny. 2 different guys, 2 different videos talking exactly the same thing.
Yeah.
And that was like why most profitable traders become unprofitable, because they become bored by their own strategy, and they want to trade more, so they start to experiment stuff, and that's how they actually end up giving money back to the market.
Yeah. Well, I know for sure that that's true. I'm also like, even it's like, actually it's like, it's I think this is not the so much trading issue so much as a personality issue. Right now it's like when I start doing the running, like now yesterday when I go to 10k run, and before that is like I do like a couple of times like a longer distance, but it's like not 10k, you know. And the thing what I'm feeling the whole time when I'm running, I don't feel that I'm tired or anything like that. I just feel bored. And what longer I run, the more bored I am. And then it's like, okay, with 10k is like, I have to say honestly that you know, I feel it. My knees are hurt a little bit, like after running the 10k, because like, well, I'm already like old enough. No, it's not anymore teenager. But actually, but I was thinking that this gonna be much worse. So it's like just a little bit. I feel sore. I feel actually right now the biceps and everything from the gym are more sore than the legs from yesterday 10k.
I show you something.
Sure.
You need. I can honestly say that these Nike shoes. Can you tell me when you can see?
Yeah, I can see.
You know?
Yeah.
Because in the live. Okay. So these shoes are amazing for running in a road,
Okay.
on asphalt.
Yeah.
You know, because it's so meshy and bouncy, and it's really supporting your knees. And I can tell the difference between this and, for example, between this shoe.
Yeah.
So this is a marathon shoe. It also is bouncy in the back, but in the front it's much more smaller. So when I run 10 km with this and 10 km with this, then with these, my knees are much more sore on my muscles. With these, my muscles are never so sore because it's taking most of the
Impact,
pounds in the in. I'm
Uh-huh.
not feeling it in my muscles and joints.
Okay.
So making an investment, that's like
100%.
that's $300.
I was starting to think about, or I thought about it as well. And also, it's like I don't have like a watch or anything like that what would measure like anything, you know. It's like the only thing what I have is the phone, the phone in a pocket, you know. And obviously,
Yeah.
like I'm not a professional runner also, but with the shoes I already understood. I have totally regular shoes. It's not even running shoes. It's like I have just like sporty kind of shoes, you know. What's already a little bit old as well. By the way, we were coming into our entry point in between.
I mean, we are in a small profit already, but
Mine is not. I put in the same time as you, but mine is like when spread was so big. When I go inside, then it's like it was immediately like $3 in a loss in the same second for me. But right now it's like around the 0 point, like 50 cent in a profit, and then it's like 50 cent in a loss and so on. Right now, so we are starting to get somewhere. But it's definitely going in that direction. You Antti, like a magician, you know, you can really predict this situation pretty well. So what's going on? What's going on? Hey, yeah. Interesting thing. Okay, everything turned blue on my screens. That's a good thing. That is a good thing.
so gold didn't go down.
Didn't go down, but didn't go up also. You think now it's gonna grow, yeah?
I mean, it actually found support. So.
What time frame you're looking?
I'm looking 15 right now.
So you think it's gonna go up?
Looking 15.
It made a little.
I mean, I'm not thinking. It's
Something happened with your internet.
a clear. My internet.
Ah, now it's okay.
Okay.
Tell again what you were saying, that I'm not thinking.
I'm not having a very clear picture of the direction of the boat. Now it's kind of tough position. Structure that is creation
Mm-hmm.
trend line. There is a lot of resting liquidity upside.
Is your internet okay, Antti? Because right now your voice is like.
My internet. But I just put on headphones. I don't know if this.
Maybe you have like a noise cancellation, some kind of thing on the phone, what is making it really sucky.
How about now?
Now it's good.
Okay, that was the voice isolation.
Yeah. If it's if it's too strong, then it's doing that.
Okay. So what I was saying is that based on the
No, now it's again.
there is a lot.
Your voice sucks again.
Then I don't.
Take headphones off.
Your voice sucks.
Do it without headphones. How it is.
So how about now?
Talk more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No, right
7,
now it's okay. Now it's good.
Yeah, I don't know why. Okay, so the GBP pair is dropping.
Mm-hmm. Yes. How much we are? 2 hours already on the call, yeah?
Yep.
That's good. Now imagine if somebody's like watching this also, imagine trader's life, 2 hours per day you're doing with your friend, you're gonna do a call. And let's say if you have like 10, 20, 30k on the trading account also, you can actually like make a decent amount on the side. Like every day you're coming for 2 hours, you're gonna make another like, I don't know, $1,000, $500. Or,
Yep.
or with very low risk, $100. Or we are in the groups also. By the way, if you're listening, we are the groups also where there is guys who have millions of dollars in a trading account, and they're doing also in front of everybody else also the trades, and you can also do it in the same time, take the signals. And these guys, they are making every time when they take a position, they are making like 30-40k profit. So trading with a very extremely low risk. But yeah, strategies are questionable. So not maybe the best for following the scalping trades because it's very time sensitive. But otherwise, yes, you can you can definitely benefit. But tell, Antti, you're starting saying something.
No. I was just calculating on my bigger account. And actually, I was just thinking about the. I've been thinking the last few days. I've been thinking about the prop firms, and I'm thinking to take a small prop firm account. And in the beginning, the goal is not to print money with it, but actually put myself into a test. Can I pass the small one? And once I can, and by small one, I'm thinking about 10,000 or $25,000 account. Once I pass that, I will get the first payouts. Let's say I can average around 10% a month on a conservative setting. So that would be like $1,000 or up to $2,500. And then I put, let's say maybe not even the biggest one, but I can take, let's say, the next I can take another 50K or another 100K account. And then I can pass the challenge over there. So basically I can scale up little by little, because right now what I actually calculated, I'm risking about 1% per capital for this particular trade. And for the past week, together with you, we also always risked, I mean, when I'm thinking about my perspective, I always risk about 1% per capital, so per trade. So I think we could very successfully do this prop firm challenge as well. I'm pretty confident that we can pass it.
With this kind of thing, definitely yes. But you are starting to do it when you're planning?
No, I have been thinking about it. I haven't decided yet.
Okay. So you were talking before about the
But
challenge.
I think
Okay, continue.
I think I might start or take one when we start the 30-day challenge anyway. So it will be kind of I will be collecting data or case study.
So explain again, what is a 30 days challenge? What it includes?
So the 30-day challenge is, I just posted it about yesterday in TikTok, Instagram, Telegram.
Yeah.
I think I have already like 3-4 people interested, of actually more, around 5 people interested.
Yeah.
I would like to get around 10 to 20 people to start this challenge all together. And the challenge is very simple. Anybody who wants to participate, who wants to learn trading, who wants to learn about risk management, discipline, everything, then they need 200 euros or $200 trading capital. They need to open an account with us in Star Trader, put the money there. Then they get, if they're first time clients, they get $200 or 200 euro extra deposit bonus. So the total capital is 400.
Yeah.
And then we take this 400 and we trade every single day. Let's say London session
Yeah.
or New York session,
Yeah.
or both. And our main goal is to catch 1 or up to 3 setups per day. And we are targeting around $10 to $20 per trade profit. That would be, and then we try to do this every single day, just get very good setups like we are doing right now. And by the end of 30 days, the potential capital that each trader can have or should have, if they do exactly how we do, then they should have something between 600 up to $1,000 account, and they already have the knowledge how to take the setups, how to analyze the markets, because we will be talking about this every single day and teaching. And yeah, risk management and discipline, they also will
And what's the challenge?
So
I guess?
basically, they are very close to becoming a very good trader.
So, but what's the challenge? Challenge needs to be also that there is something hard to do.
I mean, it's a 30-day challenge to become actually almost become a trader or become a trader. To help people get started and not to trade themselves alone. And I mean, the challenge is there is multiple perspectives.
Do you want
point of
to
views.
Do you want to do it through the same group? Same group link and everything, or no?
No, we create a different group in Telegram.
Okay. Okay, well, I'm 100% in with you because I'm trading with you anyway every day, and I will bring some people as well.
Yeah, and basically why I why I made this or where did I get that idea is very simple. I can see people come through TikTok to trade with us, and even though I tell them and teach them that okay, you need to trade with the proper risk management, they still start to gamble. Like just recently, one my friend he put $500 on an account. He was trading with 0.1 lot in gold on a $500 account. I was trading with $10,000 account around 0.1 lot or 0.2 lot maximum. But I have like 20 times bigger account. And guess what? 1 week later, 2 weeks later,
He loses money.
he blew the account.
Yeah.
Yes. So the main goal is that people can come, we support them, they by being there for them and taking the same trades, or they can take the same trades that we take, so they can be more safe on the decision making process, and they can actually learn from the best. Because I wish that when I started I would have somebody who already had experience and knowledge and know-how.
100%.
And
It's
I could
obviously
just
it's easier to
basically
do
spend
like when
time with
somebody's
them.
doing in front of you. It's easier to understand as well.
Yeah.
It's like same with the training. It's like when you go to the gym the first time and you don't know what to do or how to use the machines. Like if there is somebody who is showing you what posture to use, what not to use, like how to do it, what not to do, and the ways, it becomes like very efficient right away. And it's with everything in when you get like a mentorship. Even if your mentor is not the best, but if he's better than you already, you have something to learn.
Yep, exactly.
We are starting to get profitable, huh? So what's going on with the gold? Gold also seems to be rejected again.
I'm looking at the same thing.
Da-da-da-da-da. 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 But depends what time frame you're looking, because right now it's like if I'm looking 1 hour, then it is like every high has been higher and every low has been lower, sorry, higher as well. So it's like I can see an uptrend in a 1 hour chart, but 15-minute chart I see totally downtrend right now. so and also if to take like very wide, then it's still a very big downtrend. So all depends what you're looking. Do di da 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 da.
$50-minute sell.
I see also that in 15 minutes there is also arrow also formed for selling gold.
Yeah.
And
We,
two red
we
candles
actually
already. Yeah.
we actually would have had a pretty solid sell zone, but
Where?
we missed it on 5 minute. Here on a 5 minute time frame. If you check over here, we got rejected from the trend line. We also took out the Asia high, and on 5 minute we broke through these big areas, and then we took out the previous low, and then we retested this area and got rejected. So from here actually would have been pretty good sell already 70 pips. You know what? Let's go into I mean, we could try a sell over here, but let me see. No. Let's wait.
Yeah.
Name. So I have in TikTok 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people who are interested in the challenge, and in my Telegram group I also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I already have like 9 people who are interested to start with the challenge, so that's good.
So what do we do? Da 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 da. You were talking, Antti, before about MetaTrader 4. What's the difference between the MT4 and 5?
MT4 is better than MT4. Sorry, MT4 is older than MT5, and because of that, MT5 is more advanced. You can, especially on the phone, on the computer, you don't notice it too much, but on the phone, for example, you trade on the phone a lot. You can drag and drop your TP and SL. In the MT4, you have to manually type in the numbers, so you cannot do it as quickly as smoothly. And if we talk about coding an indicator or a expert advisor, which is the trading software, then majority of them, they are developed on top of MT5, not on top of MT4, because you know more about coding and developing, then MT5 has better base for stuff like this.
Okay. Okay, and you are using both? Or are you using only MT5?
I'm using both because I opened my one account where I'm running a copy. I opened it on MT4 because I had an understanding that it has to be done over the MT4. But then I found out that it's actually can be done on MT5 as well.
Yeah.
But then it was already too late, and I didn't want to lose the data, so I've never really moved over.
I get it. Okay. Why are we not moving anywhere?
Very slow market, really.
Very slow, and gold also, like
By the way,
yeah, tell.
we need to check the news also because we are trading GBP, but
Gold steady as investor
Looks
gauge
like
US-Iran risks and Fed signals. Middle East escalation, Fed hike bets. Gold slips after Brent rises back above $90 a barrel.
I'm checking that Canadian dollar has CPA median or inflation, no, CPI common. I mean, Canada is gonna have the red folder news, so maybe we can catch some GBP CAD setup over here somewhere. Where is this? I don't have it. What the hell? GBP NCD, GBP CAD. Oh, yeah, there. GBP CAD.
I still see that the gold is breaking like upwards. Is like pushing, like tracing, but then it's pushing back. Like it's pretty like always, like all the longer candles are like stronger, bigger candles are like upwards, not downwards. If I'm looking like a 30-minute and 15-minute chart. And also if I'm looking 1 hour, then the same. So it's probably gonna go up now, but we need some supportive signals from Master Antty. By the way, I was actually shorting gold in between also when we were talking.
You did what?
I was shorting also gold from
When?
from 4025 when you little bit like when we were talking about it before. Then you said like eventually I don't think so yet. Then I went in. It went multiple times into $10 profit for me, and then I keep it in, and then it's like I just went out like 10 minutes ago or so with a $5.5, $6 profit or something. $5.5.
Okay, still
But
still kind of solid.
Yeah, I go out just in case because it seems that it's not like it seems that it's pushing back. But it was like in this kind of place where it was like just on the liquidity area, like pushing down. That's why I was shorting. And and also your indicator, Antty's indicator was showing 3 arrows in a 15-minute chart, like 1, 2, 3, all the same time. It's like okay, fuck it, I will do it. I put a stop loss and everything, and it was like worth the trade right now. Let's see. Nothing to change.
Would you like tea? No? Tea, do you want tea?
Yes, Antty, thank you. Make also for me. I also want egg and toast maybe. If you're already in the kitchen.
All right, so the market is retracing back into our zone.
We in a minus again.
It's good. So what we can expect is the price just retraces back into this zone,
And then we should double down, eh?
and then it starts to go down again. Like this. But also what I think now, because we already have a setup going, it will most likely take many hours. It's no point of sitting here in the live.
Yeah, let's wrap it up. We have everything in place, and everybody who is taking the trade right now you are able to come into our group, into Telegram group. Join in there if you want to continue and be posted with everything that is going on. And let's do it. Let's wrap it up. You wanna say something beautiful before we go?
No, what I was actually thinking to say is that we can maybe come again for short period live again in New York, maybe 30 minutes. Just look how the trade is going, and maybe potentially have another setup in gold, and then that's it.
I will not come live today anymore. 3 hours is enough for me live. so so I'm happy to trade. But I don't want to do right now the whole day live. There is so much other stuff also what needs a little bit focusing, and I cannot do meanwhile we're waiting in there. So yeah, today was a good live.
Understand.
Good live, some profit
Yep.
already made. Good, right now in a decently in, so I'm not gonna go out. If there is some changes also, I'm gonna follow the group, but you can text me also like when something happens.
Sure.
Okay,
Awesome. Thanks, Kent.
let's do it. Cheers. Stop streaming. Bye bye. Come
See you.
tomorrow.
Bye.
Come again.